Welcome. Would you like to see or learn how to create watercolor monotypes? If the answer is yes, this video is for you. I will show you step-by-step process of creating watercolor monotypes. I will show all the tools I used, and also I will print 2 sets of watercolor monotypes. My name is Marta Nowicka. I'm visual artist, painter, printmaker based in the US, and I'm Polish. So to create these monotypes, I will be using plexi plates, small plexi plates, 4x4, watercolors, caran d'Ache, color 2 crayons. You need to have also a small brayer, gum arabic, and I also have a water-soluble pencil and rubbing alcohol. I will put link to all the materials in the description. So first I'm rolling gum arabic on my inking slab, and then I'm rolling it very thin layer on plexi plates. So evenly on each plate. Now I'm just clearing the excess and checking that everything is covered with gum arabic and waiting till it's dry. Then you can start applying watercolors. So you'll see here the whole process of applying watercolors. Let me know in the comments. Are you a watercolor artist or are you a printmaker? Why are you interested in this topic? Have you ever tried watercolor monotype? It's a very nice and painterly method. I really like it. I usually work with traditional printmaking inks, but water-based media give the opportunity to work more loose and more like fluids, which I really like. Now I'm adding a few drops of rubbing alcohol. It will create nice effects on the plate, and it can also cause a separation of pigment, which will look nice on the print. If it's your first time on my channel, you can check my playlist. I have a printmaking playlist, pre-printmaking playlist. I have printmaking essentials when I post videos from different techniques. I have a colograph printmaking playlist. Also have a playlist with shorts where are mainly print reviews. I also have a mixed media playlist where you can see me painting watercolors in my sketchbook, experimenting with printmaking inks and fun pastels and mixed media pieces. So, check them out, check other videos. I will place links to the playlist in the description, and also I will show them at the end of the video. Also, if you like art books, I have a playlist, like my art library playlist, when I review my favorite books, and I have books on printmaking, on mixed media, acrylics, and I also have a review of 3, in my opinion, best books for printmakers, so you can check that as well. Here I'm adding water-soluble pencil. I think it's Stabilo. I will put the link to that as well in the description. I really like how it prints. It gives this pencil-like marks and lines in the print. And before you start adding like dry media like Neocolor 2 crayons or water-soluble pencil, you should wait until watercolors are dry. Best if they dry naturally. If you are impatient like me, you can help yourself with a hairdryer, but it's best when they dry naturally. So here are ready to print plates. You can see very fluid, spontaneous watercolor marks with some line works. Like always with my works, mainly abstract work, I like this intuitive expressionism and playing with shapes, forms, lines, colors. Now we are ready to print. I will print all 4 of them at the same time because these are really small plates and I have a big press 24 by 48. So yeah, the best moment for every printmaker, print, reveal. So here they are. You can see how vibrant they are, how beautifully watercolors and Neocolor 2 transferred into paper. So here you can see 4 prints, 4 monotypes, and also you can see the plates. And here are some details and close-ups of monotypes. I really like how different marks are here. Like I have those fluid watercolor marks, I have pencil lines, I have crayon lines. So because I had still some watercolor residue on plates, I didn't want to wash them. I decided to apply again watercolors to plates. You can see plates after adding watercolors. You can see plates after drying, ready to print. Also, we've added some pencil and crayon marks. So let's print again. First print. Look at those vibrant colors. I'm really enjoying this process because when I work with traditional printmaking inks, I use more like geometric forms, and with those watercolors I can be definitely more expressive and more fluid. So I really like that. And here you can see 4 monotypes. I am quite happy with the results. You can see how they beautifully transfer to paper. There is also some pigment separation. Let me know, what do you think? How do you like this method? Have you ever tried it? If yes, what kind of images do you create? I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to check my other videos from playlists you can see here. And if you like this content, please subscribe for more printmaking and mixed media videos. Please like, comment, help me to grow my channel. Thank you and see you next time.